This video is brought to you by Kapara Productions. Let's begin. Have you ever seen these letters on the top right corner of a letterhead written in Hebrew? If so, did you ever wonder what it means? Historically speaking, this is a very new tradition in Judaism, which began sometime in the 20th century. Many traditional Jews want to point out that God is there and is present in their lives, even in the most minuscule actions. Therefore, they'll write these letters on the top right corner of everything they write. You'd find these letters written on every page of a school notebook, on a shopping list, on an ad in the newspaper, on a sign to a store, and anywhere else they'd write something. There is no obligation whatsoever to do this, but it is done by the majority of traditional, Orthodox, and ultra-Orthodox Jews around the world. Non-observant Jews do not follow this tradition. Basad means B'siyata Dishmaya, or with the help of the heavens in Aramaic. Be'ezrat Hashem means with God's help. Now you know. Continue watching my other videos to learn more important concepts in Hebrew. Until next time, yalla bye.